cats and dogs! Welcome to Play-Doh's Vet Clinic, where every pet can feel like home. Let's begin! Blue chair, orange chair, and this is a magazine for those who are waiting. Let's not forget to offer them a cookie too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, now let's set up this cabinet. Big package of dog's food. And another one for cats. Bubba's making shampoo. 1, 2, 3. Chicken flavored doggy's food. Let's see. Oh, these healthy training treats look so yummy. And one more. Now, up here is the place for our special selection of pet food. That's it. Our waiting room is ready. Now let's go to the exam room and set it up. Here's our exam table, the pet scale, our doctor's stethoscope, her medical form, and a pen. Hey guys, look over here. This is a hanger, dog, cat, dog. And here are our cozy kennels. This is Linda. She's a really good girl. Now let's take off her leash. And put her in the first kennel. And this is Sparky. He is a good boy too. He is going to sleep in the second kennel. That's it. Now we only wait for the doctor to come. Oh, here she is. Hey, nice to see you kids. My name is Dr. Brown. And these over here are my cute patients. I need to examine them. But don't forget that safety is first. Let's start by putting on my medical gloves. Alright. And now it's time to protect my nose and mouth. There we go. Wearing a mask protects you from getting infected. Now I'm ready to examine my patients. Hello, sweetie. Come to me. Don't be scared, Linda. Everything is alright. Now, tell me, sweetie, how do you feel? Oh, I see. Let's start by checking your eyes. Alright. Now let's check the ears. Come on, turn to the right. Excellent. Neither the ears nor the eyes. I'm so confused. What is the problem then? Oh, maybe I know exactly what it is, but I need to check, just to be sure. Alright, let's see. Aha! Here they are. Now I'm completely sure what it is. You have fleas. That's why you're scratching yourself. No, don't cry. I will help you get rid of them. Now let's see. Aha! Here it is. My special anti-flea spray. It will make all of them run away. Now let's comb your fur. Alright, and finally, I'm gonna put you this duck cone to prevent further scratching. That's it. Good job, Linda! I'm so proud of you! You are such a brave duck! And now it's time to feed you! Here you are! Bon appetit! Huh? What's this? Oh my! Yeah, guys, I love you too! I have work to do! Bye, guys!